It's a really bad idea, but let's see how it goes. I don't think I'm tall enough. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to put up some hooks to store my kayaks on the wall in my garage. Let's see how it turns out. Here are the hooks I purchased on Amazon. I'll add the link in the comments below, and we'll see how well they hold up. First thing I did was I found my studs on the wall, measured 16 inches on center, made some marks. I laid the hooks down on my kayak approximately where I'd like to install them on the wall. My kayaks are 10-foot long Triton Lifetime. Now these kayaks are 32 inches wide. So I have measured down 36 inches where I want the kayaks to sit, because I'm going to have to lift them up and put them down on the hooks. I'll need a little bit of clearance for the ceiling. So I will pre-drill the holes that I've marked using the hooks. And I've made sure to find the studs so this will be sturdy. I don't want my kayaks falling on my car. Hopefully I've marked them in the right place. I will use the screws that they provided to install the first hook. Now these hooks did come with a rating of 100 pounds. My kayaks are just over about 45 pounds, so they better stay. Time to mark number 2. What you don't know is that I'm not left-handed. Let's see if my kayaks stay up. I'm going to attempt to lift this kayak up by myself onto these hooks. It's a really bad idea, but let's see how it goes. I don't think I'm tall enough. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Let me go see if I can find some help. Okay. I've enlisted the help of my beautiful wife. She doesn't want to really be on this, and she doesn't want to help me, but I bribed her. So let's see if it works better now with some help. Okay, I just hold it there. Got it?
I got it. Just call me Shira.
Ta-da! All it took was my wife's help. Now, ready for number 2. This one should be easy. Pretty quick. Let's put the second kayak up. I'm gonna try this one by myself and see if I look just as ridiculous. Here we go. So as you can see, this one wants to lean out. So I'll just pull the bottom out and see if it leans up towards the wall. Worked pretty nice. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Now some of you may have asked, what did I bribe my wife with for helping me? Well, all you parents out there know, I bribed her with saying that I would put the kids to bed tonight. Well, there you have it. Not too bad of a project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.